Hi, it's Dr. Beddinghouse, and I just wanted to share an important idea with you, and that is why do we want to do an elimination diet? First of all, as a functional medicine doctor, I've been using the elimination food plan for many years because it's just a wonderful way to start out with the basics, which is food. So if you're suffering from things like digestive issues, bloating, gas, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux, or even chronic pain, chronic headaches, fatigue, joint or muscle aches and pains, chronic sinus congestion, and generally just not feeling well. Eliminating certain foods from your diet can help you begin the healing process. Most of my patients have some improvement in their symptoms actually before their first visit with me when they followed the food plan. And then I've even had a few patients have their symptoms completely disappear and be able to cancel their first appointment with me because the elimination diet is so powerful. Now, that's not magic. That's not luck, and it's not just a random event. That's science, my friends. Now, we know many people have food sensitivities that are often overlooked, and that may be the cause of chronic disease. If you're allergic to certain foods, you will usually have an immediate reaction, things like hives or swelling of the mouth or lips or the eyes, but many people have delayed food reactions. So if you continually eat the same foods over and over again, you may not be aware that what you are eating is actually causing or making your symptoms worse. So as I said, the elimination diet is actually the gold standard of functional medicine and frequently helps to uncover foods that may be the culprit to the person's problem. It may be the culprit to why you are suffering with the problems you've already told me about. So after a few weeks on the program, usually 3 to 4 weeks is what I recommend, depending on what your symptoms are and how long they've been going on. Then after that period of time, you will start reintroducing the foods one at a time to see if there is any reaction. And you need to eat that food for 2 to 3 days, and the serving size is about the palm of your hand. And you want to see if there's any reaction. And then it's important to learn how to eat an enjoyable and nutrient-dense diet while starting on the road to optimal health. And this gives your immune system an opportunity to heal. So what does the elimination diet do? Why does it matter? First of all, it can reduce inflammation, and that's a biggie because most of the people I see have some inflammation. It's either in the gut, or you've got brain fog, or you have all kind of GI symptoms like leaky gut. It also helps you identify any food triggers that may be causing your symptoms. Also, it reduces toxic burden because you're going to eat a cleaner diet, hopefully organic foods, and you get rid of all the pesticides and chemicals that have been sprayed on our food. And a biggie that I really encourage is that it promotes body awareness of food. And you become more interested in having a wide variety of foods and not eating the same foods over and over. It also supplies phytonutrients to help heal the gut because there's going to be a lot of vegetables and some fruit on the diet. And it's a personalized diet approach also. And I think that's very important. And one thing you must remember, it is not a calorie reduction diet. I have had people lose, 5 or 6 pounds while they were doing it, but that's not the full intent of it, okay? So the bottom line is you are what you eat. So if you are eating an inflammatory diet, you're going to have inflammation in your body. So I hope that this has helped you a little bit to know why I'm recommending an elimination diet. So if you have any questions, you can always call me or text me. and we can talk about it when you come in for your visits.